Imagine this. You have just spent hours perfecting an important document, or perhaps you have taken hundreds of precious photos on a once-in-a-lifetime trip. Suddenly, with one wrong click, they vanish. That moment of sinking panic, the feeling of irreplaceable loss, is something many of us have experienced. But what if I told you that in many cases, those lost files are not truly gone forever? When it comes to undeleting those seemingly lost files, the most essential features in any recovery tool are a powerful, comprehensive scanning engine, broad support for various file types, and a reliable preview function before recovery. To understand why these features are so crucial, let us think about what happens when you delete a file. When you hit delete, your operating system does not instantly wipe the data from your hard drive or storage device. Instead, it simply marks the space that file occupied as available for new data. It removes the file's entry from the file system's index, making it invisible to you. Think of it like tearing a page out of a book's table of contents. The chapter is still there, it is just harder to find. A powerful scanning engine is the detective that goes beyond that missing table of contents. It performs a deep scan, meticulously sifting through every sector of your storage device, looking for those hidden pieces of data. It needs to understand various file systems, such as NTFS used by Windows, FAT for older devices, or exFAT for flash drives, to effectively reconstruct deleted files. This comprehensive search is vital because the more thorough the scan, the higher the chance of finding every recoverable fragment. Broad file type support means the software is smart enough to recognize and reassemble many different kinds of files. Whether it is a WORD document, a PDF, a JPEG image, an MP for video, or even a ZIP archive, a good recovery tool should be able to identify and piece them back together. Finally, the preview function is your visual confirmation. Before committing to a full recovery, you absolutely need to see if the file is intact and not corrupted. There is nothing worse than recovering a file only to find it is unreadable. A good preview lets you check the quality of photos, read text documents, or even watch short video clips, giving you confidence in the recovery process. So, when faced with a lost file, the first step is to stop using the storage device immediately to prevent new data from overwriting your lost files. Then, choose a reputable recovery software with these essential features. Initiate a scan, patiently wait for it to complete, and then use the preview function to select only the files that are fully recoverable. Always recover files to a different drive than the one you are scanning to avoid further data loss. Beyond these core features, some excellent recovery tools offer data integrity verification, which uses advanced algorithms to ensure the reconstructed file is perfect byte for byte. They may also employ sector scanning to recover highly fragmented files, even if parts of them are scattered across different areas of the disk. These sophisticated techniques are what often separate a basic Undelete utility from a professional-grade data recovery solution, offering a much higher success rate in complex scenarios. Understanding these essential features transforms the frightening experience of losing files into a manageable task. With the right tools and a little knowledge, you can confidently navigate the recovery process, turning potential digital disaster into a moment of relief as your cherished memories and crucial documents reappear right before your eyes.